So I'm standing next to a 500-gallon Share grease trap. What this does is it creates the baffle in the middle. It has the outlet and the inlet where we're creating that separation. We have fog that sits on top, fats, oils, and grease. Solids go to the bottom. And in the middle, there's a baffle here. So when the water gets to a point, it actually creates a channel that goes through and fluid is discharged out here. But let me take you inside the old basin here. What we're looking at here is a metal container with a one single handle lid. Opening this up right here, you can see the fog that's sitting on top. That's the fat, oil, and grease. It creates that texture on top. That's the separation. And you can see on both sides, we basically have fog. So the basin is it's overwhelmed. It's not gonna be able to hold its capacity. So this new basin that we're installing, it's set up for the future. I doubt that it would have to be replaced again, especially with normal maintenance. The way that these guys take care of their products, having them pumped out, flushed, cleaned, this new basin will last them the next 40 to 50 years without a doubt.